the gender reveal. What are you? Team boy or team girl?
Yeah.
Team boy over here, boy. Team boy over here, boy. Getting the drone ready for the reveal. We're out here.
Yeah, Joe, you know the cable or the cable line to be cut. Oh, 6 miles. Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Today is Thursday, it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Today we're gonna do my gender reveal. So everybody's over here. Everybody's coming over here now. Damn, my barber cut me bad, bro. Yeah, I'm waiting for Hulu to come here. He's always late. Of course, my wife is gonna kill his ass. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a burnout. We're gonna have the bags, put the bags underneath the tires, do the burnout. So yeah, but I got the steelies out. Have them up in the front. Have the jack. Hulu has a gun, so we're gonna just 1, 2, 3, take them out. Put the steelies on, cause he has all AAA. So we wanna spin the shit out these tires. Try to fucking probably blow them. And yeah, see if we have a boy or girl. I'm pretty sure I'm having a boy. I'm like 80% sure it's a boy. So I mean, but if it's a girl, you know, saying it is what it is. The beautiful thing to have a daughter, but I would love to have, you know, the pair, the girl and the boy, and I'm set. So, yeah, we're gonna wait for Julio to come. My boy Pedro has a drone, as you guys seen. So it should be good. I'm gonna set this camera in the front, go live on my phone. Have my wife's little brother record the car also from the side. So overall should be pretty good. But yeah, as you guys can see, the steelies are right there. And yeah, let's do it.
the I'm so longer the I'm so longer the
Dude, I just did like a whole video and just stopped recording. I have no idea. Hopefully I'm gonna get a new camera because these shits are expensive. I just want to end the video here. I don't even know what just happened. Yeah. Let me show you guys the aftermath. Actually, I'll show you guys that after. I just wanted to close out the video to say, yeah, man, I was 100% sure. I was like 80% sure that I was gonna be a boy, and I kind of had a feeling, deep down inside, I also had a feeling that it was gonna be a boy. I mean, a girl. I just didn't really want to, like, you know, believe it, but now it's true. So yeah, so now I'm officially a girl dad, 100% a girl dad. It's crazy, man. I didn't even think I would have 2 daughters. It's a blessing because now my daughter is gonna have, you know, somebody to play with, somebody to grow up with, a sister, which is a great feeling, you know. I wanted a boy so I could have, you know, the pair, but deep down inside, like I'm okay with whatever, you know, I got, because obviously they're my kids, and having a daughter is a beautiful thing. I already have a daughter, as you guys know, so she's like an amazing person, and usually the girls are for the dads, like they, you know, they're like they stick to the father, which she already does. She's like literally stuck to me. She comes to me for everything. Whenever she wants to buy me, whenever she wants me to buy her toys, she knows what to do. So now I gotta watch out because I got 2 of those. So I already know my money going straight down the drain in a few years. But yeah, so again, it's a great feeling to have another daughter. You know, I get to do this all over again. I don't know. Maybe we gotta try a 3rd time and see if I get the boy this time. But if I get another girl, that's it. I'll be finished. But I think I'm okay right now with 2. We'll see. I guess maybe when maybe when the baby's around like 2 or something like that. Maybe we'll see for a 3rd. Maybe I could get a boy. Maybe not. Who knows? But yeah, thank you guys for all the great comments on Instagram. I see you guys are giving me sending me a whole bunch of DMs and commenting and stuff. I really appreciate it. Shout out to my boy Pedro. He killed it with the drone. He had the whole like drone. We've been planning this for a week already, so the drone played a big part in it too, because he got a lot of like good stuff like in the air and in front of the car and stuff, like the videos you've seen like of him flying like over the streets and stuff. So shout out to my boy Pedro also. But yeah, man, I'm super blessed, man. Have a family of girls. I'm super excited, you know, because once I get older, it's gonna be a beautiful feeling to have, you know, 2 daughters, just like, you know, loving you, you know. And we have a name, but we're gonna put out the name. We're gonna put out the name when she's born or whatever, you know. It's a beautiful name, literally a beautiful name. So yeah, pretty excited for this new adventure again, starting all over again. Hopefully this clip stays, because I've recorded a whole like video and everything and it didn't stay. But yeah, guys, super excited. We got 5 months, I think, 4 months. I think we have 4 more months, and then the baby's here. So yeah, the car should be done by before next summer. That's the plan. Before next summer, the car should be done. So hopefully hopefully we have like our own place. That's what we're trying to look into now. So I'll keep you guys updated with that also. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Let's make this video blow, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell me what was your favorite part in the video down below in the comments. And yeah, guys, thank you guys again. Build to enjoy. Peace out. Appreciate all the love, all the support. Super excited. Peace out, guys.